Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Real Life Realtors where we give insights and advice on your real estate journey. So if you're looking for a property tutorial and how-to channel, this is the right one.
So today, if you own a private property with your partner, you've earned and saved up some cash to invest and would like to purchase another property. But to buy a second property will cost you 12% ABSD, and not to mention you can only take a maximum 45% loan if you're still servicing your mortgage on the current home. So what do most people do? Today, we are going to share what to look out for when you're decoupling. Let's go.
Many people decouple to keep their current home and free up another name to buy a second property. More often than not, you might hear this term called Partshare. This is essentially the same as decoupling, just in this case, the party exiting the property is selling their share to the remaining party. First and foremost, couples are no longer allowed to decouple for HDB flats from 2016 unless it's due to special circumstances. So if you own a private property and wish to decouple, let's give an example.
If you and your wife own the property 50-50, which is usually the case, to part share, you sell your 50% to your wife, so a few things will happen. Number one, if you have used CPF for the current property, you have to return it with accrued interest back to your OA upon the sale. Number two, if there is outstanding mortgage, it must be settled upon the sale as well, meaning your wife has to take over and start a new mortgage under her sole name. Bear this in mind that your wife must have the financial capability to take over this new mortgage. So speak with your bankers or mortgage advisors to understand more. Number three, stamp duties. So two parts to this. The first is seller's stamp duty. So if you own the property less than 3 years, seller's stamp duty will apply. Next is the buyer's stamp duty, which is mandatory. So stamp duties are based on the market valuation upon the time of decoupling. But remember, stamp duties are also based on the percentage of ownership share that you own. So if you own 1% of the property, you pay 4% of the 1%. So now you understand why people buy property at 99.1?
Lastly, decoupling is done by conveyancing lawyers. So naturally, there are legal fees. How much it is depends on how complicated your process is, but usually it starts from around $2,500 and above. Remember, sometimes life is unpredictable. Anything can happen. Whilst it's good to plan ahead and be optimistic about your wealth creation, it is also imperative to safeguard for rainy days. Decoupling is an excellent strategy to save on costs and build your assets, but only do it with calculated risks. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you!